With the security, a big concern for our refugees, especially with the latest shootings and stuff like that. I'm not going to go into detail, but a big concern is people getting their information leaked. And one of the biggest concerns or easiest way how they can get that information is getting your phone number through WhatsApp groups. So in this video, I'll just show you how to hide your information and your telephone numbers and stuff so it's not visible in your WhatsApp groups. So whether it's on PC or on your phone, the process is more or less the same. You will go into your settings. It will either be the gear or the three buttons if you're on your phone. You go into settings, you go into privacy, go into about, and then you will see in about your settings is for everyone, my contacts, or this. But this you need to set to nobody. And once that's set to nobody, you're all good to go. And you can now chat in groups safely. So in Facebook, I'm not going to do Facebook. Most people, Facebook's is fairly safe, but a lot of people use WhatsApp groups. So maybe just consider doing that until at least you have traveled. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.